Hi everyone, creating a comfortable reading room is all about crafting an inviting atmosphere where one can escape into the world of books. The space should be designed with relaxation in mind, incorporating elements that promote calm and focus. From cozy chairs to warm lighting, every detail plays a role in making the room feel like a personal sanctuary for readers. The furniture in a reading room is key to setting the tone for comfort. A plush armchair or chaise lounge can be the centerpiece, allowing you to sink in and get lost in your favorite book for hours. Add soft cushions and blankets to enhance the cozy vibe, creating a space that feels like a hug the moment you sit down. Lighting is crucial in any reading room. Natural light is ideal, so positioning the room near a window can bring a fresh, airy feeling. For nighttime reading or dim spaces, warm tone lamps with adjustable brightness help avoid eye strain and maintain a relaxed atmosphere. Table or floor lamps beside the reading chair make it easy to read without harsh overhead lighting. Bookshelves in a reading room not only offer practical storage but also contribute to the room's aesthetic. Wooden shelves add warmth, while built-in shelving can give the room a library-like feel. For added character, mix in plants, personal memorabilia, or cozy accents like candles to make the space feel more personal and inviting. A reading nook should also include a small side table for convenience. Having a place to rest your tea, coffee, or reading glasses keeps everything within easy reach and adds to the overall comfort. A minimalistic approach here is best, just enough space for essentials without cluttering the area. Lastly, consider the room's overall vibe. Soft, neutral colors can create a calm backdrop, while earthy tones or rich, dark shades can make the room feel more intimate and inviting. Adding textures like plush rugs, soft throws, or velvet cushions can elevate the sensory experience, making the reading room a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. In addition to comfort, personalization plays a huge role in making a reading room truly yours. Incorporating elements that reflect your personality, whether it's artwork, a favorite color palette, or cherished mementos, can make the space feel uniquely inviting. You might add framed quotes from beloved authors or literary posters to spark inspiration as you read. Sound is another important factor to consider. While some prefer complete silence, others might enjoy soft background music or ambient sounds like the crackling of a fireplace or gentle rainfall. You could introduce a sound system or even a small water feature to enhance the calming atmosphere, making the room a multi-sensory retreat. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment below, and hit subscribe for more seasonal content. Let's make the most of this beautiful ideas.